Hi, I'm Matt at Bespoke Timber here in Auckland, New Zealand. We've owned a Minitunnel for the past 4 years. We think it really is a fantastic machine. It's really enabled our company to grow into what it is today. We've thrown every type of finish at it that we are happy to use. Water-based polyurethanes, oils, water-based stains, reactive stains, hardwax oils. They're typically what we use on a day-to-day basis. And we found that it can cope with all of these finishes admirably. We also own, along with the Minitunnel, the polishing machine, 2-head with a smoothing out brush, and the wire brushing machine, Rusticat. You can see here a job that we've just finished. It's 400 square meters of Bergicide L oil, and you can see here the range of different finishes that we use. Bergicide L, Rubio monocoat, Ciranova, Whittle, Boner, Ciranova again, Osmo up there. Again, we're very happy with Paoloni and their range of machinery, and the service that we get is incredible. So thanks again, Andrea.